English version, Mathematics, Class 5, Chapter 2, Number 6. The price of 4 cow and 8 goats together 6,25,800 taka. The price of 1 goat 17,600. What is the price of 1 cow? So total cost of goats, 8 goats 17,600 is, that means 8 goats into 17,600, 140, 1,40,800 taka goat price. Now if we subtract the cow price from the goat price, the total cow's price cost of 6,25,800 subtract 1,40,800, that means 4,85,000 taka only. Then cow, how many cow? 4 cow. Then we divided by the total cow price. The total cow price 4,85,000 divided by 4 equal to 1,21,250 taka. Then answer 1,21,250 taka per cow price. Thank you.